Alright, let's go. What up, YouTube? Hey, boy, back and do another video. We having a party this weekend. Be 33 throwing down. Put these two briskets on the pit. We need to clean them up, get to it. Gotta get these briskets trimmed, washed up, and on the pit. I'm gonna holler back at you in a minute. We getting it poppin'. I'm Taylor. Where you at, Taylor?
Right here.
You helping Dad get it ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, and Talia, don't you mess with that. Talia right here. We got the tent set up.
Yeah.
Got it rocking and rolling. We getting it ready. Got Taylor behind the camera. We getting it ready. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we out here. Gonna have us a good time. My baby recording, and she having so much fun. You already know how we do it. The blazing way. Let's go. The brisket on there. Let me show y'all this brisket. It ain't been on there but about 2 hours, if that. But it's rolling, it's rolling. Candy Reds, huh? Got them Candy Reds. It's time to spray them now. That's how we rolling, y'all. Hey, we getting ready to have this big party, you know what I'm saying? So it's going down. Hey, I'm ready to see all y'all in y'all cowboy, cowgirl gear. We gonna be out here, we gonna party, we gonna have us a good time. And yeah, I'm enjoying it, man. Blazing way. Yeah, I got my little help out here. She always got to be out here. So look, this how we doing it. Look, bring y'all here. Come on. Let them see what it's looking like. Oh yeah. How we doing it? Country boy way. How we doing it? The Texas way. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we out. Peace. Nothing but good smoke coming out of there. You can't even see that smoke coming out of there.
I can't.
What are you crying for? Alright. We got that pit rolling. Alright. Open this up and let y'all check it out. Can't really see it. Too dark, but them things rolling, man. We just made some hamburgers on this little bitty thing. We just gonna let the pit roll all night. Man, I'm so excited, I'm so ready. I ain't never really partied like this for my birthday, so I'm kinda turned up. But man, look, I'm glad y'all watching my video, whoever done stuck this for. But first off, we had to get this brisket going, so I made some hamburgers out of the trimmings from the briskets that I did. And we cooked hamburgers for the family tonight, so they all inside eating, and I'm out here getting it going. So finna be out here for a while, so y'all just stay tuned and wait till the weekend. It's going down, you know what I'm saying? For my 33rd birthday, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Up. Hey, we back. Been getting it. We got the whole setup going. So I ain't get to record much yesterday, but I'm back on it today. Finna throw some chicken on the pit. I got the pit going. Finna throw some chicken on there. I gotta do the sauces. then I'm gonna be done. And I'm finna relax and enjoy the rest of my party. You know what I'm saying? So, drop the camera off right here. Alright, we got chicken loaded up. Now I'm finna go make my my mop sauce. I'm finna go make my mop sauce and come back out here, mop some of that chicken, move some of it around. Then I gotta go inside. I gotta cut up some more ribs. I already got one full pan and one full pan of brisket. So, hey man, we gonna eat good. We throwing down. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, look. Alright, I'm see y'all in a few minutes. Alright. No. No. I got your hand here. Where's your hand? You can get it. Got a few links on the pig. That's gonna be it. That's gonna wrap up the cooking.
Table.
So this where we at, y'all. We gonna be partying. We gonna party it up. I'll be ready for y'all. We gonna party it up. Y'all ready? We're gonna eat good, party good, drink good. We're gonna have us a good time. Gonna have us a good time. Nigga go take this chicken inside. But other than that, I'm out. Peace. You finally got you some food, huh? You got you some food? You got you some food? What up, Law? Mama? Big Mama? Say hey to the camera. Wifey? What up, wifey?
All right, what's in it? All right, cheers to your 33rd birthday! Going on.
You know what? You know what?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jerry. Happy birthday to you. go. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Let them hang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Come on, come on. Happy birthday. Happy
Alright, go.